Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reboot. My name is Dave and today we're back with a very big unboxing. Pardon me for my tired look. I'm just back from a trip from Manas. Stay tuned, I will put a few videos of that very soon. So let's get back to this. This big package that you see here, this is a bicycle from Decathlon. This is a very new model. This is the S10 and all black, matte black color. You might already know, those who are interested, that in the budget range Decathlon sells a my bike, that is the all white bike that has been in the market for a very long time, but that is a bit bulky and the frame and all those things are a bit thicker, so I did not buy it till now. This one just launched a month back and this is very sleek, very lightweight, steel frame. So let's do the unboxing, and before I do that, let me tell you, I'll be making 2-3 more videos on this because Decathlon ships the bike without any accessories. So I'll make another video where I'll be doing the fitting of this, and a third video in which I will add all the accessories and I will go one by one of what accessories I added and what are the cost of this, and also I'll add the link of that in a separate video. So this will be a exclusive unboxing, and let me show you, let me do the unboxing. So if you go and buy it from their shops, you'll get it from around 5,999, but if you decide to take a home delivery, they will charge you 999 for shipping purposes. That might differ. It's from 799 to 999. It depends where you stay and how far you are from the Decathlon stores. Usually the Decathlon stores are out of the city. So this is how it is. I was a bit skeptical because this is not packed very securely, and as you can see, there has been a few scratches already. This is the seat unit. They have already added the reflectors and all these things. The seat is this. Let me just open and give you the complete unboxing experience. How is the condition of this? This is the seat, soft enough. I have got a cover for this. I'll show that to you in a bit. Let me take this out and show you how it is packed. So they have given very thoughtfully a toolkit for assembling it. It involves a bit of DIY. These are the pedals. You can either take it to some bicycle shop near you. Got this now. So this is how they pack it. Yeah, this is attached, so this is okay. This is the main part. Otherwise this would have taken some trouble if you want to do it yourself. But this is, let me show you, the handle is here, large handle, as you can see. This is there are two options of this. This is the large option. There is also a medium option, so depending on your height you can take either of this. Oh, so this is already attached, so I cannot just take it out and show it to you, but this is it. Little bit of scratches, yeah, as you can see. So I'm a bit disappointed in that. I would have liked if there was no scratches at all, but yeah, it could have been worse. These parts are okay, not that much scratches, but yeah, some scratches are there. So that is the unboxing. I will be doing the assembly of this very soon, so I'll make a video on that, and yeah, I will show you the accessories that I bought. So these are the set of accessories that I bought along with this. You have to do a little bit of choosing. They if you buy it from their site, they will give you a recommendation, but choose according to your own likings. So I bought this. This is the seat cover. This is a memory foam seat cover, large size. So I'll put in the next video that I made, I'll put all the links and how to fit it and the price of this. I'm not going to go into this. I'm just showing you what are the products that I bought. So this is the seat cover. You have to buy the mud guards. They don't provide the mud guards along with the cycle. So this is what I bought. This is a fiber mud guard. This is the stand. Again, they don't provide a stand along with the bicycle. This is the stand that I bought. This is a center stand. It goes under the bike. It's a bit different. We'll go into this later. This is the bottle holder which goes into the frame, and a very important stuff. This is the pump, hand pump. So in case of emergencies, you can use it to fill air in your wheels. Good to have in emergencies, or if you do not want to go to bicycle shops. I plan to do all my repairs on my own. I have ordered a toolkit and all those things. I will be making a separate video of that. This is a lock. This is a basic lock. This is the cheapest lock out there. This is all from Decathlon till now, what I have shown you. Apart from that, this is a bag which I got. This will be under the frame, and another thing which I bought not from Decathlon shop, this is a solar tail lamp. So these are all the things that I have bought till now, and stay tuned for the other videos. Stay tuned for the video. I will be assembling that video, and another video where I will be fitting all the accessories to the bike, and I will show you the finished look, how it looks. So thank you for watching till now. If you have made it to the end, do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.